Good morning, good day, good night, whatever time of day you're watching this video. Welcome back to my channel. It's Chome here. Anyway, so today I'm going to the doctor because I've not been feeling that well. I've been going to the doctor quite a lot since I've been here. Like, this is probably my maybe fourth or third visit to the doctor. Oh boy. I'm going to an English speaking clinic because well, that's the only English speaking clinic that I know. I've been to clinics that only spoke Japanese. Like the last time that I went, I had influenza and I had to call my company to ask them to translate for me because I was just too weak to go to the English clinic because it's not that far, but I would have to go on the train and all of that, while I have clinics that's near to my home. And this is the thing I can't bother with in Japan. Like, I have to be walking. So like now when I'm going to the doctor, I have to walk 10 minutes to the train station, and then when I finally reach tech transfer and all of that, I have to walk 13 minutes to get to the hospital. So if I am dying, like, you see, like this is just like one of the things that I don't really, like about Japan, but nowhere is perfect. Yeah, so I just hope that whatever is wrong with me, they can sort it out because like I need to move on. Anyways guys, so I'll be vlogging today. Fiona will be coming with me, thank God, because I didn't want to go by myself. And I don't know, maybe we get something to eat afterwards, but that's pretty much it for the day. We just go to the doctor and see what's up. Yeah guys, the sun is directly behind me. I'm not sure if you can see me, but I am walking to the train station. It is a beautiful day, even though it's 2 degrees. It's not that cold, so I'm happy about that. Yes, I'm just walking to the train station, trying to be on time because Japan is all about time. You have to be on time, and if I miss this appointment, I won't be able to get another appointment until March, and today is the 2nd of February. Look at this hill, man. Fiona gave me this.
And so Sean is going to try a Japanese snack that I really, really like. If she does not like this snack, then she's cancelled.
What?
I said it. No, it's in a Japanese.
Alright.
Try it. It tastes like cheese strips, right?
Yeah.
For those of you who don't know what cheese strips is, it's a Jamaican snack, which is a cheese strip. Yeah. That's what this snack tastes like. That's why I really like it. You like it?
It's alright. I don't really like it. After 13 minutes of walking, we finally reach the clinic right now. We are heading, I guess, back home because when we went there, they claimed that they are closed, even though the appointment was made for 1:30. Them claims that there is no appointment, and they were very rude. Do you have anything to say to Fiona? Oh, you're so quiet.
Because when they're very rude, the guy is not even give her a proper greeting and just come at the door. Yes, ma'am, we're closed. That was so rude, and I found it very strange that he would even ask that question because obviously we made an appointment.
but it's kind of short. My favorite store. I am walking home now. I just want to say that I'm really pissed because the appointment was made, right? It was made for 1:30 and these people gonna say that they're closed. And when we walked in, the man was so disrespectful. The Japanese man, he speaks English, so that's the reason why we went there, because I don't know Japanese. I'm sorry for the lighting, the sun is in my face. I don't know Japanese, so that's the only English speaking clinic that I know, and the man speaks English. So he was like, we're closed. So we said that we made an appointment. Then he said that he checked, which he did not, and there's no appointment for today. This is the second time that I went to this place, right? The first time, the receptionist was one of the receptionists, she had a very stink attitude. But you know, I brushed it off, like I'm saying, you know. I'm going to go online and I'm going to leave a review, you see, man. They're too disgusting because they wasted my entire time. Appointment was made, so I don't know how they're gonna be saying that they're closed and there's nothing, and it was confirmed over the phone. Wasting my time. It's a long walk home. Tired. Oh, I bought curry chicken with rice because I'm hungry, and I saw it and it looked delicious on the picture. Whoa, the sun again. So I just hope that it tastes good as well. I've had curry once already, and I've cooked with curry that I purchased from Japan. It's a different taste from Jamaican curry, a very different taste, which I don't really fancy that much, but you know, you gotta eat. Anyways, guys, the sun is a mess. Anyways, guys, I just got home. I'm going to eat and take my mind off of this whole situation with this my microwave. I'm warming up the food. Anyways, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Let me know if there's any video that you'd like me to do, if you have any questions, anything at all, just leave them in the comment section below and I'll respond. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.